Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for elementary level part 2. In this lesson today, we're going to have some oral exercises on the structures of present perfect continuous tense as well as the usages of the present perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. Oral exercise number 1. Change the following sentences to negative. So here are some sentences and I want you to change them to negative. Let me do the first one. I have been eating. So in negative you can say I have not or I haven't been eating. Now do the rest of them. So let's talk about the answers. Number 2. She has been cleaning the room since morning. She has not or hasn't been cleaning the room since morning. He has been dancing for 10 minutes. He has not or he hasn't been dancing for 10 minutes. Number 4, we have been swimming for 5 hours. We have not or haven't been swimming for 5 hours. And the last one, he has been sleeping since morning. He has not or hasn't been sleeping since morning. Oral exercise number 2. Change the following sentences to questions. This time you have to change them to interrogative sentences. For example, number 1. I have been eating. The question is, have I been eating? Now you do the rest of them. Alright, so let me talk about the answers. Number 2. She has been cleaning the room since morning. Has she been cleaning the room since morning? 3. He has been dancing for 10 minutes. Has he been dancing for 10 minutes? 4. We have been swimming for 5 hours. Have we been swimming for 5 hours? And 5. He has been sleeping since morning. Has he been sleeping since morning? And the last oral exercise, here you have to change the following sentences to negative interrogative but formal. Let me do the first one. I have been eating. Have I not been eating? Good luck with the rest of them. So, let's talk about the answers. Number 2. She has been cleaning the room since 8 a.m. Has she not been cleaning the room since 8 a.m.? 3. He has been dancing for 10 minutes. Has he not been dancing for 10 minutes? 4. We have been swimming for 5 hours. Have we not been swimming for 5 hours? And number 5. He has been sleeping since morning. Has he not been sleeping since morning? Now let's talk about the usages of the present perfect continuous tense. Usage number 1. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that has started in the past, comes to the present, and may or may not go to the future. In simple words, we use this tense to talk about an action that started at a particular time in the past and is in progress up to now and may or may not go to the future. Note, we use since and for with durative verbs in this usage. So we use the prepositions since and for with durative verbs. So what are durative verbs? Those verbs which can be changed to verb ing. So the difference between since and for is clear. Since is used before the starting time of an action, like 2 o'clock, 2012, last Monday, like this. And for is used for before the duration of an action. Now, when something, let's say, started from 2019 and is still in progress, so if you want to mention 2019, you can use since. But if you want to talk about the duration from 2019 up to 2020, you can use for. Like you can say for 1 year. Now, let's have some examples like they have been playing since morning. Morning is the starting time. At this time, the action started and is in progress up to now, and maybe it happens in the future also. She has been working since yesterday. We have been eating for 10 minutes. You cannot say since 10 minutes. minutes, because this is the duration. 10 minutes is the duration. She has been cleaning the room for 30 minutes. Now let's talk about the second usage. So we use the present perfect continuous tense to give explanation for what? For actions that have just or already finished. When something finishes recently, we can use the present perfect continuous tense to give an explanation for it. Remember, we don't use since and for in this case. For example, Salman is breathless. Now, I think that he has been running. Her hair is wet. I think she has been taking a shower. The boy is dirty from head to toe. I think he has been playing in the mud. The last usage is we use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action or situation which has been changing. When something changes with regular intervals, we can use the present perfect continuous tense to describe such an action. For example, the prices of petrol have been decreasing. This is a change, a regular change. Her health has been improving. Pollution of carbon has been increasing. The weather has been getting colder. This concludes our session for today. This was just a short version of our today's lesson, and the same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Do not forget the exercise on the same lesson. Thank you very much.